All right. So this week's Hybrid Thursday activity is going to be a mock television newscast. And it's going to be, and I'm looking at it as being in the vein of a modest proposal. All right. So before completing this activity, you should have already read a modest proposal. I've put a PDF copy as I normally do. It's in the a modest proposal Hybrid Thursday folder. All right, so I'm just going to kind of go over the activity with you and kind of talk you through it so that you understand exactly what it is you're expected to do. And so here, I'm just going to read this straight out. The purpose of this activity is to, what you want to do is you want to identify a current social issue. All right, so there are so many out there, so many probably have seen on the news or been talking about with other people. Choose a current social issue, and you're going to develop a 3 to 5 minute mock television newscast using several satiric techniques. And so, what we want you to do is to kind of prepare yourself for it. Kind of go on YouTube and Google or go on YouTube and search for an episode of either The Daily Show with Jon Stewart or The Colbert Report or the weekend update segment of Saturday Night Live, and kind of watch how they do it, the tone they take, how they say things, and how they put it together. And we want you to then take that current social issue and then come up with your own script. So you're going to be pretending that you are going to be doing about a 3 minute newscast. So you're going to, if you watch how they do the news, except for you're going to be doing it in a sarcastic kind of way, similar to what you see on Saturday Night Live, the news segment, or one of those satiric news shows like the Colbert Report or the Daily Report. Um, so the directions are simple. Like I said, um, look at an episode of one of those three programs that we've mentioned earlier, and then brainstorm a contemporary, significant or important contemporary issue that you wish to imitate. And then you want to write a script, a short script. Remember, short because you're only doing like 3 minutes. And then once you write your script, you want to make sure you read it, familiarize yourself with it, and practice it. You don't have to memorize it, but we don't want you looking too awkward reading from something, or you may have to post it somewhere and read it where we don't see it. So we want you to look at it, think about what you read in a modest proposal in the manner of Swift, pose and outrageous. So your solution should be outrageous to address the problem, similar to Jonathan Swift's in a modest proposal. Then you want to talk about in your 3 to 5 minute newscast, you want to talk about how you want to implement the solution. Then you want to talk about whether they're people, whether they're fictional or whether they're actually actual real people who would endorse the outrageous solution that you've come up with. Or then you want to address some of the objections that you may have, both from those that you might concede and those that you would refute. In other words, those that you would agree with or those that you would disagree with, and then develop a closing. All right, so this is a short video. It seems like a lot, but it's actually not a lot. So you want to just determine a controversy, find a controversial, not controversial, but find a contemporary or current issue. Look at one of these satiric news programs to kind of get their style, and then using under step 3, using those particular questions or statements as guidance, kind of put your script together, practice it, and then you want to embed your video inside of a PowerPoint slide. So you're going to submit one PowerPoint slide with your YouTube video. All right. If you're creative, locate and use some background images, audio, or memes in your mock broadcasts, and then upload that PowerPoint slide, one PowerPoint slide, to uh, the activity link in Blackboard. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and let me know.